LumaFusion versus Final Cut Pro. So let's start with LumaFusion. LumaFusion is a pro-level mobile video editor designed for iPads and iPhones. It brings multiple, powerful multi-track editing to a touchscreen-friendly interface and is ideal for creators who want to edit on the go. So it offers an optimization for iPad, iPhone, and Apple Silicon. It also has an up to 6 video and audio tracks. They also have touchscreen plus Apple Pencil integration. It has a built-in title, effects, and LUTs and keyframing, and is great for mobile content creation and travel editing. While Final Cut Pro, on the other hand, is Apple's flagship desktop video editor for Mac, built for professionals who demand powerful editing, motion graphics, and color tools, all with Apple's signature performance. So what it offers is a professional-grade editing and color grading. They also have a magnetic timeline and powerful media organization and are optimized for Mac, and they have a vast plug-in system and a motion integration which is used in commercial and film production. So LumaFusion is best for creators who want high-quality mobile editing, and Final Cut Pro is the better choice if you're editing on a Mac and want a professional workflow with deeper features.